Guys, I'm gonna take a little motorcycle ride. Why don't you guys all come and take a ride with me on the motorcycle?
All right, first we gotta put the dollar in. Let's see if Jim can really drive.
Did you sanitize this, Edward?
That's your job.
Well, let me check what kind of ride. Oh, I'm gonna take this ride right here.
You have no wheels. All right. Press the start button.
I know.
All right, pick a track.
How do? What's what? Oh, space.
Yosemite.
No.
Oh, you did Yosemite.
One.
Pick a bike. Ooh, take this one.
It's locked.
Oh, that one's locked. Take this one. Terminator. Press start.
414.
What should you get upgraded? Brakes?
I like this.
Engine makes you go faster.
Engine.
Alright, here goes Jim. There he is. Oh, look at the woman. Alright, Jim, go, buddy.
That's my whole drive.
Yeah, stay off the road. Jim's on it. Woo, Jim just did a trick. He's in 12th place.
Oh, that's alright. Suck. It's alright. It's all for money games. Right night shenanigans.
On fun and games.
Oh, the water now, Edward.
Yeah, I'll shoot them. Oh, I just shot a guy on a motorcycle for you. We ran out of bullets. Oh, there's two of them. Smack them. Oh! Checkpoint. Checkpoint. Oh, you're going to pass two. Woo! Look at Jim go. Front angle of him. He's concentrating really hard. Look at him concentrating. Oh, he's standing up. He's standing up on the bike.
Second place.
Oh, look at that. He got second place. Look at the women.
Thank you for watching my YouTube video. I'm going to go celebrate the rest of my anniversary. Peace.